After successful going through our hatching training, and then we have gone through with the first hatching, starting from setting the brood stock to doing the injection, striping, fertilization, incubation, and everything. And when the fry started coming out, then our master gathered us. Then we also did our own trial in these two ponds. I am super excited to see that about 24, about 22 hours, that is 2 hours to 24 hours after the incubation. Now, the typod, the fries, the small fish are beginning to come out from the eggs. Very excited. You know what? I'm excited. You know why? We did our first trial and we failed. And yes, we have learned it. Anyway, I will show you. Let me take the camera closer to see whether you can see the eggs actually hatching. But I need technical eye to be able to see that. But you know what? This entire journey is covered, and a video will be released soon on that. I will show you. But in other words, we'll still give you a video that will guide you. Now, let's look at something. Oh, let me come here. Maybe you can get it, see it more closer. Here, what have you observed? Do you notice something small, shaking in the eggs? These are the fish. You see, some very small. If you don't watch closely, you will see them. They are shaking from the eggs. That is the fry coming out that they are hatching. Very tiny. See them. They are coming out. They are shaking. Yes. So what's happening is that when they drop, they fall into the bottom of the pond through the cucumber. And then we now remove the cucumber. So that when we remove the cucumber, the unhatched eggs and the shells of the hatched eggs will remain on the cucumber. Then we throw it away. Otherwise, it will pollute the water. So if you watch closely, you see that tiny thing shaking in the eggs. That how they hatch. And when they hatch, they drop under. And at that time, it's very difficult to see them. You will see them in 3 days' time. Yeah, even by tomorrow, you will begin to see them coming out. But when they hatch this way, they will still be eating the yolk. Then after 3 days, they are now visible enough. Then you can now start giving them the artemia. That is the first feed. Very powder, tiny particles. That's what they'll be eating. Then you'll be increasing till they become fingerlings and to juveniles before you sell them to mature or people who grow them to mature sizes. So this is the incubation process. We have done the teaching in the bigger pond, and we are doing our trial in this small pond, and it's very nice. We are successful. Yes, thank you. So this is how we learn. So don't think that we are making the videos, we just get it free. I won't mention the amount that we paid. I went to Accra with my brother who came from Cameroon and we're teaching him fish farming to learn how to hatch. We paid, we have traveled from the north to Accra. We are in a hotel. We are eating every day. And all these, the expense come to myself and then that of my friend. So, not think that we are getting everything easy. And when we are telling you, when we teaching you after we learn, take it serious because it is a golden opportunity. Because you are getting the information free, we have not gotten it free. Thank you so much. If you're not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. When you this video, watch, comment, share, and more importantly, be guided. That's our ultimate goal. At the end of it, if you're able to guide someone, that's what is making us happy. Now, there's one thing you should note. To manage fry or hatching, irrigation is very important. Very important. So if you want to learn that, check out our course description where you learn protection and irrigation system. So that is our aquaculture system. We teach you protection system, also teach you irrigation system because this is very important. Click on the link and then make your purchase, and you will learn a lot about that. And if you're a complete beginner and you're wondering where to start and where to end, we have a completely free video about 4.5 hours teaching you from everything about fish farming. If I say everything, everything that a beginner knows to be successful. If you check that out, watch it free in this channel. Check in the description, there's a link. Then click on that link and then you watch it completely free and it will guide you. Yes. And if you need our service, where you want us to set up a complete farm for you, or you want us to set up a RAS system for you, or any other help that you want, contact us. Our contact details are also in the description. Contact us, get connected, and we will guide you. My name is Abdulaziz Issa. I'm a fish farmer. I have a bachelor degree, but I've been managing fish farms for long now, and I've been helping teaching people like you. So we do that based on our experience and research. Thank you, and see you in that completed free video. Bye bye.